welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is a video from YesStyle. So if you want to see what I have today, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So I am actually refilming this as my original video corrupted and I wasn't able to save it. So you'll notice a lot of the packaging has already been opened, but that is because I'm having to refilm it. So I do apologize for that, but that was out of my control. So I have just recently been accepted into the YesStyle influencer program and they have accepted me for the Prepare and Care for Winter skin set. So I do know here in Australia it is summer, not winter, so this would be better for someone that is in winter right now. But I'm excited to get all these products. So these products were kindly gifted to me and I have 5 full-size products to share with you today. Now they are all skincare, they are Korean skincare products. I have done a spot test and so far I haven't reacted to any of these products. So when I was accepted for it, it did say that it was suited for sensitive skin. And I do find Korean skincare, there's less ingredients in that I react to compared to something that I can get from here that's made in Australia. So jumping straight in, I do have a little like booklet thing in front of me just giving me some basic details that I can share with you guys. So if you see me looking down, that is what I'm looking at. So the first product here is from Pyunkang. Now I don't know how to pronounce that, so I do apologize. I think I've just butchered it, but it is the name just here. Now this is the Calming Moisture Barrier Cream. So this retails for US $16.80. So it is a low pH moisturizer formulated with EWG verified ingredients to soothe the skin. And it is also formulated with Cica, tea tree, honeysuckle flower extracts, which all calms the skin, as well as ceramide to fortify the skin barrier. So it is suitable for sensitive skin. So it just came in a basic black uni carton. It has a 12-month expiry. This does have a really nice finish on it. And then inside it is just this little jar. I don't think it's glass, but it doesn't feel like the cheap plastic. It would be like a thick plastic. So it just has a black lid on it and it has all of the details on the front here. So it does come with the little piece that you put on top. As I said, I have opened these, so I do apologize, to protect it. And then this is the cream. Now it does feel super thick. It has no scent to it, so I'm excited to give this a shot later and I'm hoping that I do enjoy it. Okay, so I've just applied the moisturizer. Again, it's better, it's not as thick as the nighttime one, but it still is a bit too thick for my liking. I do prefer like a water gel or a water cream versus like the moisturizer that you can feel on your face. That's just a personal preference for me. So it is a nice moisturizer, yes, but it's just not one I would choose for myself. But this is what it looks like on. And the video is going up today, so I'm actually filming this on the day the video is going up because, as I said, I had to refilm everything because it all corrupted. So I probably won't do a check-in with this. So the second product that I got is from One Thing and it is a Moisturizing Lip Essence. Now this retails for $7 USD. It's just in a plain white uni carton. It does have a little sticker here so that you can tell if it's been opened or not. So this is a vegan, deeply nourishing lip essence infused with 3 organic botanical oils to deliver long-lasting moisture. It also contains olive oil rich in vitamin E to protect the skin from UV rays and prevent signs of premature aging. It also balances oil and water level of your skin, and it is soft and non-greasy that forms a smooth coating on the lips. So I've just turned the brightness down because I had it up too high and I didn't realize, so you weren't able to see the product. So this is what the product looks like. So it's just One Thing Moisturizing Lip Essence. It is 13 mils. Okay, and the expiry on this is, it doesn't have like a 12-month or anything like this one does. This one just has on the back, on the little bottom here, says expiry 2023. 05/23, so I'm assuming maybe 23rd of May 2023 that it expires, so plenty of time to use that. But it is just like a clear lip balm, just with the standard lip balm head. It is just that clear formula that's coming out. I can't smell anything again with it, which is great because a lot of scented products or fragrance products I react to, so I'm excited that it isn't fragranced. Okay, so I have just used the Moisturizing Lip Essence. So this is what it looks like. So it is nice and glowy on the lips. You can definitely tell it's there. It is definitely lightweight. It feels more like an oil on your lips. I can feel it there because I did put a decent amount on because I'm going to be sleeping in a moment. But otherwise, I really like it so far. So yeah, pretty impressed with that one. So last night I wore the Moisturizing Lip Essence. It was the second night of wearing it. I've come to a final conclusion that it's definitely not my favorite lip essence out there. I would prefer something that will stay on a little bit longer. So I did find within half an hour it was like all gone from my lips. So I did reapply it a few times last night. It's probably a good one for when you're just prepping to do your makeup. Because then, you know, you'll all be gone by the time you're ready to do your lips. But otherwise, it is a nice formula. It just doesn't last long on the lips. So the third product that I got here is from Skin 1004, and it's the Madagascar Centella Tone Brightening Cleansing Gel. Cleansing Gel Foam, sorry. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is nice and big. It feels nice again. It is that matte texture one. It retails for $21.40 USD. Now it is an all do it cleanser. It removes all traces of makeup and dirt while helping to get rid of dead skin cells, featuring Made White, a skin brightening ingredient which is extracted from Madagascar Centella that improves skin tone. It has extracts of papaya, grape, apple and plum, which gently exfoliate unwanted debris, promoting a smooth, supple complexion. So this is what the packaging looks like. Again, it's just a very basic one. It is sort of like cloudy, not really fully see-through. It is just a liquid in there. I'm not sure if you can see that in there moving around. Again, no smell to it. It is just a clear product as well. It is 125 mils and it has a 12-month expiry on it. So this one I am slightly concerned about because it does have a skin brightening ingredient, and I tend to react to things that have skin brightening ingredients in them. So I have done a little spot test and I didn't react on my arm, but my face is a lot more sensitive. So I will do a spot test on my face as well before I put this all over it. So I have just used the Tone Brightening Cleansing Gel Foam. So this is what my skin looks like. I have already done a double cleanse to get my makeup off because I did film today. Excuse that, that's my TENS machine. So yeah, I just used this after doing my double cleanse to get rid of my makeup. I normally do a double or triple cleanse when I do wear makeup, but this is meant to have a toner in it, so I think I get to skip the step of toning now. I can't really say much about it. My skin does feel a little bit drier than normal, but maybe because I'm used to more of a hydrating rather than a cleansing. I did think it was going to foam up a bit more, but it didn't. It was basically just a little bit of gel and then it sort of turned white. So yeah, I will let you guys know in a speed reviews what I think of it when I have used it for a lot longer. So the next product is from PURITO. Now I think I've heard of this brand from Taylor Wynn and maybe Jessica Braun on YouTube. and it is their Dermide Cica Barrier Sleeping Pack, which retails for $19.10, and it is just in this cardboard packaging, which is really good for recycling. So it says on the front here that it's unscented comfort sleeping pack, calming and soothing with super Centella complex, lock in moisture during the night, wake up with supple and plump skin, and it has ceramide and hyaluronic acid in it. So it is 80 mils and it has a 12-month expiry. So this is what the actual packaging inside looks like. So it's just like a purple and white sort of foil kind of tube. Now this says that it is infused with Centella, Cica extracts, ceramide, squalene, and hyaluronic acid to strengthen your skin barrier and prevents the loss of moisture while you're asleep. It is light and non-sticky gel cream texture, and it is free from harmful ingredients, suitable for sensitive skin and pregnant women. So I'm excited to try this because I do prefer a gel sort of formula over a moisturizer. It just looks like a white moisturizer to me, but I'm excited to give it a shot. So I have just used this sleeping moisturizer. It's the Barrier Sleeping Pack. So this is what it looks like. It is still slightly wet, but it is drying down at the moment. This is only the second time I have used it as well, and so far I'm not a huge fan of this cream. It is very, very thick, so I can feel it on my face. I am definitely someone that prefers like a water cream or a gel moisturizer over an actual moisturizer. It's just because I do not like the feeling of it being on my face. So it is quite thick, and yeah, you can definitely feel it there, but I guess that's why it makes it a good nighttime moisturizer. But it does leave my skin nice and hydrated. It's just something out of personal preference for me. So the lucky last product I was gifted from YesStyle is I'm From, and it is a Pear Serum. So the brand is I'm From, and it is literally just a pear serum. So this says that it is a vegan serum containing 83% of wild pear leaf extract and hyaluronic acid to deliver abundance of hydration. It features a light texture for fast absorption, reduces irritation by creating the moisture barrier, and is cruelty free. So the cardboard box is actually quite luxe feeling. It is very nice. It has an expiry of the 3rd of August 2024 on the bottom, and inside this is what the packaging looks like. So this is super pretty, and I'm excited to give this a shot. It looks super luxury. So it is like a glass bottle, and you can see the product in there. Then it has the pump top with a lid so you don't accidentally press it if you're traveling with it. I'm really excited to try this. It is only 50 mils and it retails for $25 USD. So I've just used the Pear Serum. It has left my skin nice and glowy. I'm not sure if you can see that. I have let it dry down to show you what it looks like, but it is nice and glowy now. Like, that is all dry. It does feel a tiny bit tacky, not super tacky, so I'm glad it's not super tacky. It's only been the second time I am using this, and so far I really like it, but I don't see what it is doing. So I will have to update you guys in a speed review. So I want to say a massive thank you to YesStyle for kindly gifting me these 5 free Korean products. All of these products were gifted to me. However, all of the impressions and reviews are my own and they're true and honest. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!